so many people to dream way bigger when you were just starting in the industry. So what was your biggest no way this could happen dream na parang hindi totoo, hindi kaya? Ano po yung dream na yun para sa inyo?
Sino po ang tinatanong?
Kayo po na!
Nagtaray na naman siya. Sino?
Ikaw muna, tita.
Ako na muna, mukhang para sa matanda yan. Tanong. Honestly, yeah. Since I'm part of the time in the UK, let me just self-indulge. No, yes, this is a dream because I'm the oldest here, as you can see. No, ako na pinakamatanda.
It doesn't
dito.
show
It
po.
doesn't show. Pero every time I see all of them, I feel young again. Yeah, and I feel their passion, their desire. No? It's a very competitive world now. Much more competitive now. Kasi doon, sila Nova Villa ng kompetensya ko or something. Iba na ngayon. Kailangan sing and dance kayo, no? Biggest dream? Every time, I think, I just give it my best shot. And I know there's a very high ladder. And I go up one step at a time until I reach the top. And yun ang aking naging inspiration. And I'd like to pass it on to everyone here. We are all born to shine!
Yes, of course! Thank you so much, Tita Tessie. Next po.
Okay. Siguro my no way this could happen. Maybe I have so many. For so many years in the industry, I feel so blessed to do movies, albums, teleseries, theme songs, concerts abroad and here. Sabi ko, ano pa bang mga kulang ko? Parang, ano pa bang pwede kong gawin sa industry? Sabi ko, kulang ko is teatro. So, para sa akin, parang wow, no way this could happen na magta-teatro ako. So for me, from Broadway Centrum, Broadway Centrum Philippines, to Broadway in New York. For Here Lies Love, for me, it's like no way this could ever happen. So for me, I guess the biggest is the longevity, because until now, I'm still here in the business, and I'm grateful and thankful that I'm still, they still believed in me, and I'm always given a good and quality projects, just like Born to Shine. Thank you. I'm grateful and thankful.
Yes, kay maayo man ka inda.
Salamat.
Yes,
Maraming
you are
maraming
good
salamat.
sa akin ko.
That is good. That is good.
Yes, sa akin, yun, katulad ng sinabi nila Tita Tessie at ni Vina, sa akin naman, bawat achievement talagang ninanamnam ko. Kasi, yun nga imposible kasi para sa akin nung bata ako, lalo na nung nasa Cebu pa lang ako, na mangyari sa akin. To name a few, of course, yung unang pagpasok ko sa Annalisa, which aired here sa GMA Network, no? I played Dodit. Although, sa Cebu kasi nanonood lang ako kay Miss Julie Vega. Tapos umiyak ako pag umiyak siya. So sabi ng mga magulang ko, "Hoy, ano ka ba? Artista ka ba?" So sabi ko, isang araw makikita niyo ako dyan. Tapos and then it happened. So talagang, no way, nangyari siya talaga. And then siguro yung isa is yung very first major concert ko sa Araneta Coliseum. Na nanonood ka lang din ng shows before, and then ikaw na yung pinanlalakad. Marami, no? Kasi ilang years na rin naman talaga tayo, pero yun lang siguro, yung mga yun, and more. No way this could happen to me is also yung meron kang Manilinians na from noon hanggang ngayon, nandyan pa rin. At hindi nagbabago ang pagmamahal sa'yo. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.